Okay, this is day 15 of my Learning to Ride series. And this is the first time that I'm going to go do a quick errand at the grocery store. So first kind of time that I'm taking the scooter out. It's a little bit of a cold day. And I also got new mirrors installed on the bike, and I want to kind of take a look at how they do. I didn't really like the stock mirrors, and I also changed the seat on the bike as well. I'll show you what the seat looks like. Okay, we've got a green. Again, I'm trying to get up speed. I see that car passing me on the left there. So again, it's one of those things to where, you know, I just want to stay up to speed. Right now I'm only doing about 50 miles per hour. I'll go a little bit faster. And I'll be giving my turn signals and everything and checking my mirrors. So again, this is the first time that I'm actually doing an errand on the bike to the grocery store. So I won't actually record myself in the grocery store, but I'll start recording afterwards when I get back to the house. I'm not going to take the roundabout. There's a roundabout up there. So what I am going to do is I'm going to kind of go around to where I don't have to go around the roundabout. And here we're coming to a light. And we're gonna stop here. I think that was a pretty good stop. I think overall I like these mirrors better. I can see a little bit better. And we're just gonna go up there and turn right. And we're gonna make it right here. And make sure I have my turn signal on. And that's how quick it is to get to the grocery store. I'll find a good parking spot, and then, you know, I'm gonna go around the other way. So this is my first trip going to the store. I think I'm just gonna park in this aisle here. And again, I'm just gonna, oh, I was gonna reverse in, but looks like that guy took my spot. So I'll actually pull forward here and we'll park. So that's it for the trip to a grocery store, and then I'll film the next part of it. Okay, so again, this is day 15. Okay, again, this is day 15, learning to ride. I just completed my first errand, and I came to the grocery store. Now I'm going to head back to the house here. then there's a roundabout up there that I'm not going to take, just because it gets pretty busy. So I'm going to go around this other way until I get really comfortable. I also brought just a little bit of groceries that I have under my seat, and then just drop those off at the house. I wanted to be able to get a ride in today as well, so that's kind of the reason that I came to the store, is to be able to get a ride in. Now there's cars here, so I'm not sure if they're supposed to stop or not, so I'm stopped anyways just to be safe, and I'll go after this van here. So here we go, and I looked at the map and I believe I'm supposed to make a right at the light here. So we'll make a right. Double check there's no traffic, so I make a right, and then again a right here, I believe it was. And this also gives me a little more of a relaxed ride, so I don't have to ride like, you know, at real fast speeds, especially with these new mirrors. But just to be honest, I'm definitely liking the new mirrors. I like them quite a bit. And then let's see, I think I make a right here, so we'll take a look just to make sure that is correct. And I am gonna come to a stop, and it looks like we're good, and we'll go. This seat height is just a little bit different than the one I had on there, so it's kind of throwing me off just a little bit when I'm starting and stopping, but that's okay. I'll get used to it pretty fast. And I guess it's better to be able to, you know, be able to learn like different heights of seats and stuff, just in case I ever need to be on a different type of bike. Has a lot of debris over here on the road. Okay, so we'll make a left here, and then we'll head towards the house. The 2-lane street turns into a 1-lane, and a lot of times people are in a hurry, but I'm gonna take my time. If they want to go faster, they can, until they get to the single lane, and then when they get to that single lane, they're just gonna have to stay behind me, but I'm gonna try not to. I try to keep at, you know, speed a little bit. So right now we're at 40. We're at 45. And this is where people get impatient on this area. But I'm going about 50. The road is just a little bit rough, but I'm just trying to relax and stay steady. So I'm at about 55. at 50, and then I'm going to turn over there at the light. So I've already got my signal on, because a lot of times people tend to just kind of get in this lane way ahead of time. I definitely think I need to practice on my my stopping, you know, when it comes to like traffic lights and stuff. I feel like I'm not really as good as I should be. And then here we'll just wait for the light to turn, and hopefully it'll turn for me. So I'm able to see that vehicle behind me, and then I'm just gonna let him know that I'm still turning here. So I'll get in my turn lane, and that takes me to my gate, which, well, it was open, so I don't know if it's gonna see the weight of my bike. Nope. So I will have to open it up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and end the video here anyways. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. So this is day 15 of my training. You know, please have fun, stay safe, and always take care of yourselves. Thank you.